So I am here with my management team to see the women in Rivers State Command. And it is our duty from the national headquarters. We go around to check our women from time to time to find out how they are doing, to check and see that the late police officer's wife, who are the widows among them, that they are not left behind. And part of it that we are here in this stage, the chairperson here told us that she has built a complex, a police POWA shopping complex. So we are supposed to commission it. And by the special grace of God, we have done that this afternoon. And we are able to empower our women, those who need our support. And that is what we have done. But it is actually a tradition in POWA that whenever we are in a state, we like to visit the governor and let him know about our activities. And that is why we are here this evening, sir. So it's part of it that we let you know, police from national, we are here. We have done what we are supposed to do. And it will not be wise to just carry our bags tomorrow and go without seeing the governor of the state. So that is why we are here this evening, sir. And God bless you. And we can see that you are taking good care of the police around here. We are so happy. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you.
We, as a government, I know you know all the stories around us, but we'll continue to do the best we can for our people. At the end of the day, what people want to see or what they want to hear is the mark we have made. It is not the level of distraction that we have been faced or confronting us. It is the impact we have made in governance. So we'll make sure that we continue to do that, focus on the ball. What we ask from everyone, you are the wives of the police officers. Please, pray for us. Secondly, also advise your husbands. Let them continue to stand on the path of truth. It doesn't matter who asks God today. Nothing lasts forever. But what lasts forever is the truth. Live a life where when this name is mentioned, today, you're the IG. Tomorrow you won't be there. When that name is mentioned somewhere, oh, this is a good man. You won't be there again to defend. For now, the name can make you pass. So please, you are, in fact, the truth about it is, we are the head, but you are the neck that controls the head. So please, be helping us. Pray for River State. Intercede for us. There are places where we cannot reach, but our message today is going to those places. Please, that is the request we're making as a government. We do not want any trouble. What we are doing here is governance. We know that we have started. One day our own will end and we will leave. So because we know that, we have decided to take the path of peace. So I want to thank you for honoring us. You would have as well visited River State and go. We won't fight you, but honoring us means that you have respect for this government. And because you have respect for us, we don't know how to transmit our own, but God will honor you. CP, on our own part, if there is any way, any support that we can give to the women the POWA, in any further project, don't hesitate to get to us. You've been a very wonderful officer. I need to say this, let it be on record. You find yourself in a very difficult situation, but you've been really balanced. So I want to commend you for that. Continue to be balanced. Don't shift the balance. We will do everything to give you the support for you to succeed. What is important, I keep saying it, I want where my children's name will be mentioned, and they say Fubara. Do you know so person says my father? Ah, so good. That is the greatest legacy anyone can keep. It is not where your name is mentioned, and they say, wait. The Bible doesn't make a mistake when it says the sins of the father will come upon the children. So we should learn and work as professionals. Very important. And I know that I can say it boldly here. Our mommy, you can transmit this one. Desu has been very professional. Without Desu, this state would have been destroyed. I can tell you, without this man being professional, this state would have been destroyed. So I can, if they need a recommendation letter, let them come. I will give them. Me, on behalf of the government and the good people of the state, welcome you to our state. We are delighted that tied into the people of Rivers State. I strongly believe that if the CP is not doing what is right, he won't be here. It means he's living up to his responsibility. May I also commend the wife for finding time and willing to also spend the resources. Because one thing is having the time, the other one is also willing to spend the resources. To leave a landmark, something that the police of Rivers State will not forget in a hurry. It doesn't matter how big. What is important is giving back to the society. And I'm happy that one of the cardinal objectives of this body and you might think what you're doing is nothing, but it goes a long way to assure the police officers, their wives, that even if they're no more, somebody is there to look out for them. So I want to encourage you to continue to do that. On our own part as a government, I think from my own record, might be very correct because I know I don't make mistakes with figures. I've been giving so much support to this association. It's not the first time. I know once or twice they've written to me for something and I've supported them. I support them because I'm also from my, let's say, the military background.